How to make YouTube Shorts with Canva. Create and edit YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create your own YouTube Shorts using Canva. So let's get into it. Now to get started, just head on over to Canva and register using your email address. Once you do that, you can just go into your search bar over here and just search for YouTube Shorts. So once you search for YouTube Shorts, you're going to see this search result over here, and you're just going to click that. Once you do, this will give you a bunch of different templates that you can work with. So you have multiple different templates that you can use to create a YouTube short, or you can just simply click on create a blank YouTube short video to begin creating your own video. So let's say I want to use a template, but I want to add my own video into it. Well, you can do that very easily as well. So let's say that I want to use this template over here because I want to, have the text like this, but I want to add my own video. So I will simply open this template up over here. And once you have opened this template, you can see the entire template layout. So what you're just going to do is we're going to wait for all the elements to load up. Now you can see over here, if I play this template like so, this is what the template is, and it moves to, different shots of the video. So maybe I want to use this template, but I want to add my own video section. So what I will simply do is I will go into the upload section on the left side of my screen. Once you're in the upload section, you just want to upload the footage that you want to add instead. You can even go into the element section of Canva and search for the type of video that you want. If you don't have your own footage, you can use that footage. So let's say I want to just, kids, and maybe I want to make this like a YouTube short for a kindergarten or something like that. So for that, I will just search for school, and then I will click on videos over here, and you can see there are so many different videos available. Now what I will do is, you can see with each frame there is some text and elements. So I will take a look at the text frames. So these 3 frames have text, and I will add my own text instead. So I will just click on the text and I will enter my own text. And then I will go into the second section. And I can also expand the text. You can customize it however you want. You can change font sizes. You have quite a lot of options that you can pick from, and you can really make the template your own. You don't need to just, stick with what is given within the template. You can really customize everything. So I'm just adding a little bit of my own text like so, and then I will go into the last section. Now, once I have customized the text, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to select the video from the back, and I will click on delete. Now, you want to make sure that you are selecting the video section and not the entire template. So you can go on ahead and just click on copy style and copy that into a new frame. So you can paste that style onto the new frame, or you can select the video as it is from the frame that it is present on. And you can click on over here, and you can click on add page, or you can click on duplicate page and just duplicate the background. So I have just deleted the background, and I can delete this section now. Now, once I have duplicated the background, I can enter my own video. So let's say I want to add this video instead. Now I will add my video like it is, and I will click on the video and click on send to back. So this will send the video behind all the elements that are present within your frame. So we're just going to place that like so, and this is what it currently looks like now. And I'm just going to trim the video from the bottom like so. I want this to be like a 4-second clip, and then I will go into the next section, simply click on the video, then click on delete for the video, and then I will enter my own clip as it is. And once I have placed it, I will click on send to back, and this will, send the video clip to the back, and I will enter the length that I want it to be. Then I can go into the third section and select the video, click on delete, and I will enter my own little section like so. So let's say I don't want the last section, I can click on delete, and in this way now I have my own little YouTube short, and this is what it's currently looking like. It's 17 seconds. You can see this is how the YouTube short has come out. Now you can do this with a template, or if you want to add your own elements, you want to customize it yourself, you can go back into your template section and simply click on create a blank YouTube short. And for this, I will show you how to create a blank YouTube short. So I will go into the upload section and I want to maybe create a YouTube short using this video that I have of a cheetah. So I will expand the video, or you can also go into your element section, search for a grid, and take a grid and place it above so your video fits better into the grid. So we're just going to fit our video into the grid like so. And then you can just place the grid however you want it to be placed, like this. So if you want to move anything around, you can move the grid, and this will just help you in, placing the video accurately into the section. Now, once I've done that, I will simply lock this video so I can place the rest of the elements. And let's say I want to go into the element section, then I will simply I will go into the text section first. I will click on add a heading. So let's say I want to make a video called Top 3 Facts About Cheetahs. I've entered that text. Now I'll select the text, click on the font on the top left over here, and I will choose a font that I want. So you can choose any of these fonts. You have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And let's say I will go with this one. And I will click on the effect section, and I will click on background because I want a background for my actual text, and I will just, customize it and add a simple little background like so, change the color of the text, and now I'm going to reposition the text as it is like so. So once I have placed the first text, now what do you do if you want to, move the text? Now for that, what you're going to do is so maybe for the first 2 seconds, I want this text to appear, 2 or 3 seconds. After that, I will place it right at the 3-second mark, and then I will click on over here. I will click on split page, and then from the second page, I will remove this text and I will start entering the facts that I might want to add. So for that, I will just go on ahead and I can just copy the text block just to make it easier for me to format. So this is just an example. I'm not adding actual facts, but this is just to show you guys how you're going to add it. You can even click on animate to enter, add some transitions, and maybe I want this text to appear from 3 to 6 seconds. And then I can go on ahead and click on split page, and then I can enter the next fact. So I have just entered the next, and this is just 2 facts, so that is it. Now I can go back into the start and I will show you guys what the video is looking like so far. And now you can see I have some transition, so I will enter more transitions for my text like this. And I want all of my text to rise like this. I want the effect section to pan, and this will be the speed. So all of the text is going to pan like so. And then I can even add transitions within each section. So let's say I want to add a match and move little transition. So I will just enter that transition. And now this is how my video is looking. So in this way, you can create gorgeous looking YouTube shorts that are not just basic and empty, but have quite a lot of depth in them. Once you have created your short, you're simply going to click on share on the top right over here. And you can click on download and download the MP4 video and upload it onto your YouTube channel. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.